I absolutely love finding travel gear that give you the best value for money. Because the truth is you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a premium luggage to get something that's durable, functional, and also makes traveling a lot easier. So in today's video, I'm going to review two travel bags from Bagsmart, the Pharaoh Light Backpack 0.4 and the Pharaoh 40-liter Rolling Duffel. The backpack is priced at $69.99, so less than $70, and the Rolling Duffel is priced at $139.99, so it is more of a budget-friendly option. Now, whenever I'm choosing a travel bag, there are a few things that I always pay attention to. First, is it comfortable enough to carry all day? Because especially if you don't check in your bags, they're always gonna be with you and you have to carry them around the airport. And sometimes, if you happen to have a delayed flight, you have to carry them a lot longer than what you initially planned. Second, can it actually fit everything that I need to carry? What I found with some backpack or suitcase is they look big enough, but the interior design makes it hard to fit more things. Third, is it practical when you're traveling? Depending on where your travel destination is, sometimes you need a backpack. Sometimes a rolling suitcase will do you a huge favor. Is it easy to carry them throughout the stairs? Because that is one thing that I learned from my trip to Japan. You might end up having to carry your heavy luggage on the stairs, especially when you arrive at the train station. And finally, is it worth the money? I've seen a lot of people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a suitcase. Personally, when I'm traveling, I much rather spend my money on the experience. But that's exactly how I'm going to review the bags today. So let's start with the Pharaoh Light Backpack. I really like the pop of color, and just looking at it makes me want to go on an adventure, like go on a hike or go on a camping trip. But the first thing that really surprised me is the weight. So I went to the website and tried to figure out how much it actually weighed, and it only weighed 425 grams. And if you have ever spent hours hiking or even exploring the entire day, you'll know that even 100 grams makes a huge difference. Especially because I always have my laptop and also my camera and my filming gear with me in my backpack. So this is a perfect outdoor backpack because it's light, and also the material, it's very strong. It's made from ultra durable nylon, and it's also water repellent. Especially if you have important stuff in your backpack like your passport, any travel documents, your phone. Having a water repellent bag makes me feel safer. I also saw on the website that they have this breathable back panel. They have it over here, also on the strap. For me personally, I just like how it feels on my shoulder because even if I'm carrying a heavier stuff, it still feels comfortable because of the padding. As someone who's constantly reaching out for their camera, passport, phone, earbuds, I really appreciate having a lot of pockets. So this bag does fulfill that criteria because I can put my water bottle here. And if you open this belt, they also have a smaller pocket. This is where I usually fit my passport and also my earbuds, something that when I'm traveling, I need to reach out constantly, but it also makes me feel safer because I know I won't drop my passport easily because aside of the zipper, they also have the belt for extra safety. And one thing that makes me really want to go on a camping trip or go hiking is I saw a girl wearing this backpack and they used all of this attachment. So you can put your walking stick over here, your flashlight, or you can also hang your umbrella. And I know it looks super cute, but it also makes me feel like this bag can fit a lot more than I thought. And it's not just on the front part because when you look over here, they also have another external attachment. So I usually just put my sunglasses over here. So I'm gonna show you how much you can actually fit in this one small lightweight backpack. So first thing first, I'm gonna put my laptop. I like that they have a separate compartment where I can put my laptop. There are also two other pockets. I'm not sure I'm gonna fit in here, but probably some smaller things. If I have extra documents or stuff, I can fit it here. But I'm just gonna roll all of my clothes and let's see how much we can fit in here. So for me, this is definitely a perfect size for a day trip. Now, as much as I love the idea of traveling with just a backpack, I am a through and through suitcase girl, which is why I also got the Pharaoh Rolling Duffel. So the one feature in this suitcase that I immediately like is the waterproof compartment. So this is very useful when I have to pack my wet bathing suit or bikinis, but I also use it to pack liquid stuff like my skincare. So if it accidentally explodes or leaks, it won't be a problem. You can unzip the zipper on the top and you can put your passport, your charging cable without having to open the entire bag. Now, one thing that really makes me excited is the compression panel. This is actually my first compression panel bag, so I was really excited to try it out. So this is how it looks like inside. You have another zipper here and you can fit your stuff in this panel. And it also have an extra panel in case you need to fit more stuff in here. And you can just put it on the top. I actually like that with the compression panel, if you tighten it up, you can actually secure your clothes all in one place, so things wouldn't shift around when you're traveling. The downside of that, if you need to take out something in your suitcase, then you have to reopen the belt and rearrange everything. But with the compression panel, it really compresses everything down and you save more space so you can fit a lot more things inside. Now I'm actually gonna head back to Japan in a couple months, and I know I'm gonna bring this bag for one reason. They have different carrying handles that makes it super convenient if you have to carry your suitcase on the stairs. So they have it on the top here, also on the side, and you can even carry it from the top like this. That is a small thing that makes lifting your suitcase a lot easier if you're putting it into a taxi, onto a luggage rack, or simply carrying it on the stairs. And of course, when I need it, they also have the wheel, so I can just drag my suitcase without worrying about the weight. So are these some of the best budget travel bags? Honestly, with the price point, I think so. One thing that really stood out to me with the Pharaoh bags is the durability. They also have features that you'd normally expect from bags that cost a lot more. Like what I said, when I'm traveling, I'd rather spend my money on experience, like trying local foods, booking unique activities, or even extending my trip if I want to. So overspending on a luggage, it's not my priority, but of course when you're traveling, you still want a reliable suitcase and backpack. So if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly travel bags, I definitely think these are worth checking out. There is an option that fits different travel styles without spending hundreds of dollars. So I'll leave the link to these bags in the description box below. And that's it for this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!